We don't come out from analog era. Na technology era be the way to go. Obaseki to Bayelsa Bureau. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don receive members for Bayelsa State Due Process Bureau when come Edo State to sabi Edo e-procurement system. Obaseki will receive them for Government House on Wednesday. Come talk say e-procurement dey important for states as it go help them manage the small resources wey them get.
I'm sure, as you know, it is important today, particularly in the light of where the world is and the paucity of resources, that the little we are now getting should be put to greater use for the benefit of our people. And it all starts from procurement. So if you buy something, a computer for instance, which ordinarily you could have bought for 200,000 naira, and you go and provide for 400,000, what it means that instead of having two computers, you have one. Right? And it slows down your progress and development as a state. So for us, procurement is very, very key, particularly for those of us states that don't have too much resources, financial resources coming in. So the little we have, we want to make sure it goes a long way in helping in our development efforts.
Obaseki come talk say the reason why Edo State focus for technology is they help the process dey without mago sake of it dey allow everybody see the records at the same time and help government know wetin dem dey spend money on.
We are fortunate that we started emphasizing e-procurement and subsequently e-procurement a long time ago. We've had one of the oldest e-procurement units in the country. We've moved on from the very manual process to now one where we are using technology to facilitate the procurement process. We have found from Edo that the way to go is technology because it introduces a different level of transparency. Yeah, so you can have a procurement system, which you did, but that procurement system could be subject to some manipulation or arbitrariness if it's manual. But if it is digital, everybody sees the same information at the same time everywhere and have their own records. For us in Edo, we're very open to share what we have learned, particularly sharing with our brothers in our zone, because a strong Bayelsa means, helps Edo economically, and a strong Edo helps Bayelsa. And all I can tell you is that we will continue to encourage this sort of interaction, this sort of peer learning, and we hope that if with more of this sort of experiences, we just will improve the quality of governance in our zone and in our country.
Aaron Timiye will be Director General for Bayelsa State Due Process Bureau. Come talk saying they waka enter Edo to come share ideas, then go better their own process for Bayelsa State. He come here Obaseki for the world-class Ogbonge e-procurement process, we don't become template for other states.
We are from Bayelsa State, your sister state, specifically the Due Process Bureau. Our mission here is to study the public procurement process, specifically on e-procurement. We are here to exchange notes and to exchange ideas on e-procurement. Your Excellencies, sir, I must confess what I have seen here. In fact, the standard set here is higher than that of Bayelsa State. And I hope to replicate that when I get back to Bayelsa State. Your Excellency, sir, it is said that if you don't travel out, you may think your father's farm is the biggest. But when you move out, you know that there are farms that are much, much bigger than that owned by your father. And that we have seen.
Ebo Sereme, Ubinome, TMC TV News.